Earlier today, the case of McKee Foods versus Augusta County was decided by Judge James V. Lane in a small courtroom on the second floor of the Augusta County Circuit Courthouse. McKee Foods, the maker of Little Debbie snacks, alleged that Augusta County owed the company more than $260,000. McKee alleges that their 828,619 square foot facility in Stuart Strath, Virginia, was drastically overvalued by the county. According to the company, due to that false assessment, they overpaid close to $85,000 in property taxes annually in 2011, 2012, 2013, and 2014. This case has been going on since 2014. Late in June of 2017, the case was scheduled to go to trial, but was postponed after Judge Charles Ricketts III abruptly recused himself from the case without explanation. After numerous delays and continuances, the case was set for a hearing today. It took Judge Lane only minutes to rule in favor of the county. Judge Lane ruled in favor of the presumption of the county's assessment. After the hearing, I caught up with the outside counsel that represented Augusta County in the case.
Well, I would say that the judge ruled in favor of the county's assessments. We believe that Judge Lane's ruling is consistent with the law in Virginia. We're pleased with it, and we hope that this ends the litigation.
This is not the first time that Augusta County has been accused of taking more than their share in property taxes. In a similar case in 2014, the county settled with Hershey Chocolate of Virginia. That company also owns a large plant in Stuart Strath. As part of the settlement, the county ended up giving Hershey back $404,897 in collected tax payments. The county also gave Hershey $197,000 in interest. Neither McKee Foods nor Hershey could be reached for comment, but the CEO of another Augusta County business located in Verona, Virginia, spoke to Breaking Through. Mike Donovan is the president and CEO of Nexus Services, Incorporated. He told us that his company is currently embattled in a similar lawsuit with Augusta County that has made its way all the way up to the Virginia Supreme Court. Donovan says the acts of Augusta County Commissioner of the Revenue, Gene Shrewsbury, are unconstitutional.
You know, the reality is that this is a commissioner of the revenue who thinks that she's above the law, and she's not. And she believes that the coffers of businesses are for her to raid, and they're not. And she's a commissioner of revenue that would see jobs leave Augusta County by the droves because of her targeted enforcement that is oftentimes illegal and unconstitutional.
Now, this might not be the end of the story. From the bench, Judge James Lane said he expects there to be an appeal by McKee Foods. In Augusta County, Theodore Whitelow for Breaking Through.